Here is some water on a microscope slide, plain old water. I would like to see if I can use a can of compressed air, which is very cold when you turn it upside down, to freeze this water into snowflakes under the microscope. I have done everything I can to freeze, there we go, to freeze the water on the sample. Now let's take a look at it. There we go. Those are basically snowflakes, or snow. There's some snowflakes, but they are rapidly melting. Let's watch them as they melt. This may have been the best idea ever. It was not my idea. Wow. At the last moment, they all melted at the same time. There it is, the last of the ice sheet melting away. And now the whole bunch of ice is moving on its own. That's not me moving it. There it goes. Okay, let's load it up and try it again. Here at the edge of the slide, we see again ice crystals forming. They look as though they are popping. There's a good one. This time I'm forgetting about the water, and I just gave a few sprays of canned air onto the slide. Now look at that branch. And immediately it has to melt under the bright lamp. Some really beautiful structures here. They grow quickly and unfortunately have to melt quickly. under the heat of the lamp. You can see the two competing forces, the cold moving in from the slide, trying to form more ice, and the lamp heating it from below, melting the furthest branches. It's really wonderful to see those two competing forces. And the lamp wins. Here we see ice in the center of the slide as it melts. This is not me pushing that ice. It is moving on its own as it's melting. Let's take a look at the other side. I've zoomed out a little to see this large crystal here. It's being melted by the lamp below. You see more on the slide. Just a whole garden of them. Now let's zoom in a little. Looks like those ones have melted. So let's go further in. Oop, they're melting faster than we can catch them. There's some ice. And there it goes. The best technique so far seems to be to turn the compressed air can upside down so as to get some liquid compressed gas onto the slide, and then to turn it right side up and blow on it to cool it via evaporative cooling, which quickly freezes a large crystal growth onto the slide, like this. When you zoom in, we get tighter shots of these crystals. They're melting because of the lamp below. There they go.